Colombia, in the middle of the mountains. Beautiful sunset. A couple of wild horses lurking around. Check this out.
A beautiful sunset in the hills with the palm trees and the coffee plantations, and just the people and the culture and the horseback rides that go up and down the valley. So it's, and even just to drive through the countryside to get there, it was really cool. It was a cool experience. So we're heading out riding today in the beautiful hills of Colombia to Alegrias. It's an 11-kilometer downhill track. It's about 15 minutes. So it's currently Wednesday. We start practice on Friday. So it's just about getting some time on the bike, doing some runs, shaking out all the fatigue from last weekend in Chile, and getting ready to go racing on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday in Manizales.
Oh yeah, like a big old cow shit.
Yeah, we love coffee. It was good. Like I had no idea what a coffee tree looked like. I didn't know what a coffee plantation looked like. So it was really cool to actually get the tour and see what goes behind a cup of coffee. And yeah, it was a lot of work.
The coffee culture here in Colombia is amazing. Everybody knows of Colombian coffee, but until you come here and see it growing on every single hill, you don't realize how much it means to this country. It's really, really cool.
Ha sido bonito mostrarles pues donde uno básicamente creció compitiendo, o sitios emblemáticos pues en este caso de la zona cafetera, como lo es el Cocora, como lo es Salento, luego mostrarles qué es Manizales, que se den cuenta un poco de qué estamos hechos, de quién somos, de dónde venimos. Esa parte ha sido chévere, que lo vean a uno quién es y dónde viene.
I knew it was going to be raining. We're in a rainforest and I heard it rained here quite a bit, but I didn't really expect this much rain. I didn't really expect this much mud, but we're prepared. We've brought mud tyres, we've brought jackets, so we'll just get on with it.
The race here in Manizales is a really hard one. It's a lot of shorter stages, but with really hard, steep technical liaisons in between. So it takes a full package to be able to make it through this race. And with the mud that they're gonna face today, it's gonna be really hard, but it was a super cool experience. I've never raced stages like this, like stage 5, you're in this crazy tunnel, and it was really awesome riding. So I crashed on stage 5 practice yesterday, or 2 days ago now, and slid out and hit a rock or something and cut my knee open really bad and got five or six stitches in it. And now it's healing, but I just decided to not race today, to not risk infection or putting myself out longer than I need to be.
Hermano, a mí me da pesar. Yo le sugiero que no lo haga.
Hemos corrido aquí ya como por 11 años el urbano y de repente llegar a usted a ver toda la gente que ve en las copas del mundo, a los fotógrafos, a la gente de medios, a los corredores, todos aquí en Manizales, en una carrera que no está acostumbrado a ver la misma gente de siempre, pero no, esta vez, pues pucha, el mundo vino a Manizales, es un poco irreal hasta ahora, pero buenísimo.
Today I'm really excited to be racing for urban and down the streets and the stairs of the centre of Manizales. I think it's going to be amazing with all the people out there cheering, and it's a great way to start the race weekend.
I've never raced an urban race before, and to go out and do that was really cool. It makes me want to do another one, that's for sure. It was such an awesome experience, and the amount of fans that came out to watch was like nothing I could have ever imagined.
Oh, the atmosphere here is fantastic. Like I said, the energy kicking around, hit the town, the tracks, the people. It's pretty cool. And I think tomorrow is going to be just a whole nother level. You know, tomorrow's race day is going to be a battle for the whole day. And to have the fans and the people and everyone out there supporting us and yelling and screaming and just being involved in it is going to be amazing. It's going to be really amazing.
change from Chile to here is dramatic. It couldn't be any more dramatic. Like, to go from 3,600 meters and bone dry moon dust to here, it's so wet, so moist, so dark, dirt and mud, and it couldn't be any more different, that sort of thing.
Pucha, se quejan mucho porque es muy resbaloso, es un barro negro con cero piedras, con cero grip, entonces como que uno ya sabe más o menos qué esperar. Entonces hay que ver el lado bueno de cada cosa.
The whole course itself is so well organised. There's marshals on every point, everyone's directing you where to go. There's a lot of support out there. The stages themselves are really, really fun and picked really nice stages. I think the liaisons are going to be tough, very steep and long, and with the rain as well, it's going to be a hard slog getting up the hills. Well, I have asthma, and it's been really bad this week and today. Just from the get-go, I was struggling to breathe. So when I fell, I was more concentrating on trying to breathe than actually where I was going, and I just went offline.
Felicidad total, tanto para mí, ese resultado es para mi equipo, para mi gente, para mi familia, para la ciudad, así que o sea, la presión era total, porque pues, además de presión, incertidumbre, porque no sabe ni qué pueda pasar. O sea, entre que no conozco la mitad de la gente de esa carrera, no conozco cómo funciona, toda era una novedad muy dura, y el reto era acabar, o sea, porque como bien me daba a conocer, porque es bueno para bajar, pero luego para subir es otra historia. Y uno puede ser muy fuerte físicamente, pero le digo que 5 o 6 horas allá afuera pedaleando, y encima de eso, hombre, dándole duro en las bajadas con mucho barro, exigentes, ya es a otro precio. Entonces el solo hecho de acabar ya era un reto grande. Ojalá era acabar en la punta, y bueno, creo que se cumplió con lo esperado. Un segundo lugar en la primera etapa, en la primera vez que corro un enduro. Feliz.